There's a kind of magic that happens when the body moves with the breath. A calm energy rises, the mind feels lighter, and the body begins to flow. Smooth, effortless, and free. That's the gift of yoga. And today, we'll explore 12 simple poses that awaken agility, not just in the body, but in the mind and spirit as well. This flow is designed for everyone, especially children and beginners, to build flexibility, balance, and inner strength. So find a comfortable space, roll out your mat, and let's begin this beautiful journey together. 1. Mountain pose. Stand tall, feet together, shoulders relaxed. Imagine roots growing from your feet deep into the earth. Feel steady, strong, and grounded. Agility begins with balance, and balance begins here. 2. Forward fold. Take a deep breath in. Exhale and gently fold forward, letting your head hang like a heavy fruit on a tree. This pose stretches the spine, calms the mind, and teaches us the beauty of surrender. 3. Cat-cow. Move onto all fours. As you inhale, lift your chest. This is cow. As you exhale, round your spine. This is cat. Flow gently between them. This movement awakens flexibility in your spine, the foundation of agility. 4. Downward dog. Tuck your toes, lift your hips toward the sky. Push your hands into the mat. Breathe deeply. This pose stretches your legs, arms, and back, creating strength through softness. 5. Plank pose. From downward dog, shift forward. Keep your body in a straight line, strong, steady, confident. This pose builds core strength, the power center that supports every movement. 6. Cobra pose. Lower down and place your palms under your shoulders. Inhale and lift your chest. Your heart opens. This pose strengthens the spine and fills your body with courage. 7. Child's pose. Now exhale and sink back, forehead on the mat. Arms stretch forward. This is a moment of rest. In agility, rest is just as important as motion. It's where we find renewal. 8. Warrior second. Step 1 foot forward, arms wide, gaze beyond your fingertips. Feel the strength of a warrior. Agility isn't just speed, it's grace in motion, power in peace. 9. Triangle pose. Straighten your front leg, reach forward, and open your arms wide. Let your body form a perfect triangle. This pose opens the chest, lengthens the body, and teaches alignment, the secret to fluid motion. 10. Tree pose. Stand tall. Lift one foot and place it gently on the opposite thigh. Hands come to heart. Find your focus. The tree bends but never breaks, just like an agile mind. 11. Bridge pose. Lie down on your back. Knees bent, feet on the floor. Lift your hips and open your chest. This pose builds strength and flexibility, two halves of the same whole. 12. Lotus or easy pose. Finally, sit comfortably. Close your eyes. Breathe slowly. Agility is not only movement, it's also the stillness between movements. This is your moment of calm, clarity, and quiet joy. Now take one last deep breath. Inhale light. Exhale tension. Feel your body open, your mind centered, and your spirit awake. Yoga for agility is not about perfection, it's about connection. Each stretch, each breath, each smile brings you closer to balance, strength, and peace. So carry this lightness with you today, in every step, every thought, and every act of kindness. If this practice brought you calm and energy, share it with someone who needs a little flow in their life. And remember, every time you return to your mat, you return to yourself.